Arctic animals. Written by Sarah Wilson. Focus question. Which animals live in the Arctic? Some animals live in cold space. The Arctic is one of the coldest places on Earth. Harriers live in the Arctic. They turn white in the winter. Snowy owls live in the Arctic. They hunt in the day. Foxes live in the Arctic. They have thick fur. Wolves live in the Arctic. They hunt in packs. Caribou live in the Arctic. They are good swimmers. Moose live in the Arctic. They fight with their antlers. Harp seals live in the Arctic. They have white fur as pups. Orcas live in the Arctic. They hunt many sea animals. Polar bears live in the Arctic. Moms stay there with their cubs for years. Connections. Writing. Choose two animals from this book. Read about how they are the same and how they are different. Sense. Why are many of the animals that live in the Arctic white? Share your ideas with a partner. Goodbye.